Hello, everyone. In this tutorial today, we are going to use like linear regression to create a linear regression model using Excel only. So in many cases, we need to create just a simple linear regression, and it has actually a lot of use cases, but in many cases we want something to be simple, and in many cases also we don't want something that requires programmatic knowledge. So programming is not required, and it will be easy one. So in order to create a model that we can use to predict the tips, so actually we have like an X variables and Y variables that we want to predict from these variables. So in order to do this, I have just created a split type, which is kind of splitting it into kind of training tests. So when we create the model, we need also to predict if it is like good or bad, or if it is like performing well. So we have to keep some samples that they are not inserted into the model. So the model only can actually get the training part, but not to see or have any information about the test part. So before inserting this into our regression model, it will actually cause an error if we insert it like this, because it has categorical variables and it doesn't accept text. So we need to convert this into like dummy variables. So instead of having one column for sex and female and male, we can actually convert it into two columns, one for sex female and other is for male. So if it is female, we will give 1. If it is not, we will give 0. If it is male, also we will give 1. And if it is not, we will just add 0. So first, we need to convert this. So I have created a macro that we can use to convert this one into like dummy variable and a ready format. Let's run it. And let's select our data. So we will select all except the split type. It is just for referencing. And we will convert all of them, but we will not insert all the values into our model. So I'll just press OK, indicates that data range got selected. Now created a new sheet, and now it started to convert them into categorical variables. So once they got converted, actually we need to just mark some of them to be trained, but we know it is like up to 220. These are like the trained samples. So we can actually have them in a different color, so it will be easy to distinguish them. Let's add this one. Okay, so we will need actually that add-in here, which is analysis toolbox that comes with Excel. And in the data tab, like you have to activate it before we find it in the data tab. So in the data tab, we'll select the analysis and we will select regression. Press OK. And this will allow us to actually like select our data. So this is the Y that we want to predict. So we should actually select out to 20 only. And we have to check this one as labels, because we are actually having the column with the label. And from here. And this is the one for the X variable. Now we get the results. So this is like the summary output for the models that we have. And I want to actually discuss these variables or these results because they need actually a different video and they are off topic. So I'll just use the coefficients that we have here in order to make predictions and get predictions for our data. So what we have to do is to multiply each one and its coefficient and then add the intercept, which is the bias here, to that one. And after that, we get the prediction. So in order to do this, we need to, for example, select this one using sum product. So it would be like this is a first array and second array would be the results here. And that's it, plus the intercept. And we have to fix these ones because they will be for all calculations. Okay, so we got a value error because actually this one is horizontal, but the other one is vertical. So we need like kind of transpose. And actually, so now we got the first calculation for that one, and we can do just drag it and down. And here we are seeing like these are the predictions from our model for that tip. So this is like the real one, and this is actually the prediction. If you want like to get root mean square or anything, it would be like pretty easy. But this is the easiest way to create like pretty good linear regression model without any tools or without any like programming knowledge in Excel. So they're just only using Excel. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed it, please share and subscribe, and I'll be happy if you have any comments on the video. So thanks for watching.